Welcome friends. Today in this tutorial I'll be showing you a new tool that I added on my website, which is freemediatools.com. So this is basically an advanced photo or image editor which allows you to crop images or scale it. So I'm giving the full script, guys, in the description of the video. You can purchase this script and you can monetize this using AdSense. So if you land on this website, guys, you will browse. It allows a option to basically drag drop a input image here. So there is a browse option here. You can even click this icon button also, which is upload. Click the upload option and basically you can select a JPG PNG file. So as I select this image file, guys, you will now see I can zoom in, zoom out using my mouse wheel out there, and you can see where there are various options out there. So this is the move operator. If you click it, you will be able to move your image from left to right here, anywhere on the screen. You can just move your image like this: bottom, top, right and left. This is basically the move operator. Then we basically have the crop operator, guys. So if I click this, I will be able to crop the image here to selected field like this. You can just elongate the width and the height here like this. So once you selected it, you can just place it anywhere on the screen like this with the help of the move operator. So again, if I see here, you can see that. So let's suppose I want this much portion of the image, and what I need to do here, basically you will now see there is a tick mark option. So as you now tick mark this, you will now see your image is successfully cropped here. And now basically there is an option here of download. If you click this download button, your image will be successfully downloaded. You will see that JPG file is successfully downloaded. You can basically see this is all happening on the client side, guys. I have made this static online tool inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this is basically a great tool if you want to monetize with AdSense or the Zoic or any ad network. This allows you to, you can also see undo option is also there. You can undo the, here you can see that. So basically you can crop it, again you can undo it, and then there is a download option. Basically you can see that. So first of all you need to crop this image, so click on OK. So image is cropped here. So we also have this undo option. You can see rotate option as well. You can also rotate your images, scale it, crop it, all these stuff you can do it. You can see clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction. In all those direction you can rotate your images. And then also we have the zoom in, zoom out option as well. So you will see that you can zoom in, zoom out. You can see that. So what we can do here is we can zoom in inside the image, and now we can successfully crop this. So once you are happy with the changes, you can click the download button to download the image. So very simple script, guys, which allows you to basically, it's a photo editor. You can take any input image, upload, select the input image, and basically you can perform all these operations. You can crop the image, scale it, rotate the image, and once you are happy with it, you can actually crop and download the image. So this is the overall tool, guys. Basically I am offering this online script in the description of the video. You can purchase this script here. If you have any sort of doubts, you can ask in the comment section. And image cropper is basically a very good niche if you want to earn some good income from AdSense. Let's suppose $2, $5 per day. If you have traffic, if you can rank your website. So the main keyword is image cropper, or you can even purchase a domain name like image editor online. So various websites are already, you can see online image editor is there. One such website is there. You can see that basically. So you can create just purchase this tool from my web in the description of the video, and just you need to add some test content alongside with it, and just let the user know how to use this tool. Alongside, AdSense will definitely approve your website. So this will be a very good deal for you, image editor. And once you basically purchase the tool, guys, let me show you the directory structure here. Basically after you purchase the tool, guys, you will now get a zip file which is image editor. You just need to first of all extract this file here. So once you extract the file, you will get this directory structure. Let me show you. Basically, this will be the directory structure. We have a single CSS file which is using font awesome. We have some font files, and this is basically a JavaScript file here. And then we have the index.html. That's all. This is the simple code for this application, guys. I have already made this from scratch, so that's why I'm charging it for this one. So you can just check out the live demo which is deployed on my website freemediatools.com. I have given that link also in the description of the video. So thank you very much, guys. I will hopefully you should purchase it if you like this tool website. If you want to deploy it on some revenue with AdSense, you can place advertisements and earn some good revenue. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.